Hello, everyone. I'm Father Loyola Amal Raj from Milwaukee Archdiocese. I would like to share some of my reflections on the eighth Sunday of the Ordinary Time from both scriptures used for that Sunday. From first reading from the book of Sirach, chapter 27, verses 4 to 7, and then the Gospel according to Luke, chapter 6, verses 39 to 45. In general, Jesus and the Old Testament give us a warning about we have to be very transparent, open-minded, and self-critical of ourselves before we try to project ourselves as a model to someone, either by criticizing others or by judging others. I would like to offer a quote from Rumi, one of the Sufi mystics. In one of his poems, he made a statement that goes like this: appear as you are, be as you appear. Again, appear as you are, be as you appear. It seems like the psychologist Carl Rogers took this one sentence and developed a personality theory called client-centered therapy, in which he believes that if you sat down with extraordinary genuineness, empathy, and non-judgmental attitude, when patients reveal their problems, you become a source for them to change their lives. That is the power of genuineness, genuine presence without being judgmental. The readings somewhat reflect all of that. In the first reading, we found how there were so many images that Sirach gave that sort of tells us the hidden area that a person may overlook before talking to others or criticizing others. So, for example, a heap of grain may look really beautiful and nice and nutritious until when it is shaken in the sea, the husks fall off. And similarly, part of clay that has not been fired yet may look good, but when it is fired in the current, it reveals its defects. So also the third one, an orchard with plenty of fruit trees may look good until one of the fruits is put to the test by being tasted, only to become less than satisfactory. So these are all images that show us how we appear to be somebody who we are not when we are actually somebody different from what we claim to reveal ourselves to other people. And so, therefore, without paying attention to ourselves, our weaknesses, and our imperfections, we cannot go on to correct other people. So, also in the gospel, Jesus says you have to be self critical because that's the area we are blinded to. Without being able to notice the big beam in our eyes, we go on to pick up a weakness in somebody else. Am I being self critical before I go on to judge and criticize others? If I see my weaknesses, then I need to accept them with all their weaknesses, showing them compassion, mercy, non judgmental attitude, and empathy, which will offer another person to correct themselves without necessarily taking the initiative on my part to tell them to correct themselves. If you like the video, click the button and pass on your comments and pass it on to others. Thank you and God bless.